Hello adventurous people! So good morning! So for today's video, we're having our 2 nights holiday and 3 days. Today, we're driving off to Brisbane.
Cruise ship.
Yeah, so it's my first time to drive it. Yeah, I'll keep you posted guys. Take you to a trip and I hope you love it. Alright guys, I'll see you later. So finally, nakarating na din kami dito sa Brisbane Port area. And before we get here, dumaan pa pala kami sa security check kung saan doon na namin inihabilin ang luggage namin and we only carried a pack of distilled water. And apparently, wala po tayong video doon sa security kasi bawal po ang camera. At dahil late na at ako'y hindi nakapag-almusal, so dumiretso agad kami sa buffet restaurant.
Nice to see you.
Filipino?
Yes, hello po.
Hi, what's your name?
Lucky Washi.
See you around.
See you every day.
At yun na nga no, bago ka makakain, you have to wash your hands first, which is a good idea. At napapansin ko rin dito na Filipino ang tagabantay ng washer attendant. So very nice and very friendly. Han!
Do you want a sandwich? Or do you want international flavors?
Uy! Oh, we tried this one time.
뭐부터 먹어?
Sa buffet restaurant, so marami ka talagang pagpipilian. Sa dami ng option nila, nakakawindang pumili. Meron silang main dish, either lamb or beef, fried chicken, stir fry. They also have fruits and juices and even coffee, bread, and even dessert. It's really wow, it's amazing. They offer international food, offer gluten-free and vegetarian. Pagkatapos ko ngang kumain ay nag-ikot na ako dito at nagpahangin sa labas. At kalaunan, naglakad na rin kami ni Jan papuntang pool deck. After namin kumain ng tanghalian at naglibot, finally, nakapasok na rin kami sa cabin namin. It's time for check-in and then we are waiting for our luggage to arrive. So for this video, patapos na po ito at sinisilip lang po namin ni Jan yung cabinet on top of the bed kasi balak namin na magpagawa kasi it's very handy po siya. Ilalagay po natin ang ating mga unan dyan or even spare blankets and duna. So yun lamang po. Salamat po sa inyong panunood at abangan po ang full tour ng ating cabin. Bye for now. See you on our next vlog. Rise and shine!